Okay, question 4 says find the equation for the parabola on the right. Write the question, write the equation in the form which is the complete square form here. Okay, so, and I like the way we use interchangeably things like A and B and C for these letters here. And normally we'd use a negative here, but this has got a positive. Again, it's perfectly fine. So let's take a look at what we're doing here. Let's see if we can find some points here. Well, I'm noticing that the turning point, or the, if you like, the vertex, appears to be, and these are going to be, look like they're in tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That works out well. These are tens. So this crosses at a 10 here, this looks like. So that point there is a 10. Yeah, it's 10. This is 20, and this looks like it's going to be a 30. Cracky, that is so small. So sorry, I can barely read that from here, actually. I'm actually reading it off the screen. It's the only way I can see it. This is so small. Look at the size of the pencil. But this one here that is 20 along. So it's 20, comma, how many up is it? 10, 20, 30, 40. 20, comma, 40. There it is. So let's see if we can populate this thing here with this information. So we're going to have y is equal to k. And we're going to use, we'll just put the basics in first. We've got an x. This looks like, because it's to the right, it's going to be a minus 20, all squared, plus 40. There it is. But let's pop in some numbers here. So we could use one of these ones, Frank. So this is 10 along and 0 up. Let's use 10 along and 0 up, yeah? Let's use that point there. So y is going to be 0. K we don't know. X, we've got an x value, minus 20 all squared, plus 40. So we've got 10 minus 20 is negative, so 0 is equal to k. 10 minus is going to be negative 10 all squared, plus 40. Well, negative 10 squared, that's going to be 100. 100, and this is going to be 40. So let's subtract the 40 from both sides. There it is, minus 40. So I've got a whinging dog here. Go away. No, go away. I'm sorry, dog. So this is going to be 100k is equal to negative 40. And we're going to divide both sides by 100. Divide by 100. And the k is going to equal 4/10. So k is equal to 4/10, or negative 2/5. There it is. So now we can write our equation. Here it is. Let's see how that looks. So I'm now going to say, here's the equation again. It's going to be y is equal to, this time it's put the k value of negative 2/5 in. There it is. 2/5 x minus 20 all squared plus 40. And there is the equation.